metaphor of God's creation is the solar system's birth, far to the naked eye, but we can make it seem close if we go beyond the sky.
The sun, the star, it's the only one that we got. That far, 93 million miles, it's large and wide, million times the size. It's hot, 50 million, that's 27 million Fahrenheit. Super bright, Mr. Erratic, local blind, average size, star type. Q2 made cyan off white. Its light just like our Earth's light. When it's on the other side, you can guarantee it's night. Think of light, inner atmosphere, aurora ignite, and coronal mass ejection make the sun out of the light. Block the sun, your hands, the clouds, the moon, they might. It'll happen because God said, let there be light.
Even if there's no water, even if there's no moon or atmosphere, so we can take our time to search around, up and down, till we have every only clear. Here we go.
Mercury is the smallest and the closest of them all. Mark of craters, skips and wrinkles, it's a rocky riding ball. World is tilted and eccentric, 88 days and repeats. And each and every day, times the things to portray. Your water, your atmosphere is too close to the sun rays. Even if it had, they just pull and blast away. Sun and face is soft, but it's definitely not moving to the dirt extremities. The monsters in the sky, 7 times where the sun glowed away. It's sort of tail goes and solar wind blow. Makes 9 out of tornadoes. Smell look pretty, but the surface is deceiving. It's the toxic atmospheres that push you make seething. Part of the mercury from the greenhouse gases heating. Sulfuric acid lightning is gonna make you start retreating. River with no one is morning and evening star. Compared to his backlight rotation, orbit shorter, so bizarre. Sharing size like Cooper Pass, known as just single twin. Volcano shake the surface, bringing lava from within. Earth is planet number 3, owns all humanity. Place with most of history, rivers, continents, and seas. Reach their mountains and their peaks. Ocean tradition, they need tectonic places, electricity powered by us internally. Earth's rotation corioles makes the air and ocean float at the most optimal spot in the habitable zone. Things like climate, it's gotta just right. Feel like we go, only satellite that move the Jones and time inside each show. Orange Mars, not red, planet number 4. Will Elon and the newest of the 40 book explore. Where we study from volcanoes down to every canyon floor. Look at spots and valleys, mariners, ice, the stores. Storms in and making little breezes. Permafrost, vapor, polar water freezes. CO2 the clouds, almost neons fly around. But where are all the Martians? Nowhere to be found. Asteroids, fuel, some metals like the rock. Abundant in the system of millions of stock. Literally everywhere, they like to move in crowds. From Jupiter's impression and the goes not allowed. The asteroid belt loaded to the brim, but the chances that you hitting one is really slim. Carbonaceous, metallic, silicious, type CX and S. The big, the small, and ratio, send a staggeringly less. Series is the dwarf planet with salty ice formation. Best layered self is free and so the highest elevation. Power's orbit is peculiar, a standout inclination. And hygiene is oddly spherical. Carbon presentation, interremia, Devia, Juno, Psyche, Petia, Chipus, Doris, and Euphrasia, and the Electros, Mictor, Effect, Demus, Sylvia, Romulus, Venus, Hebe, Emma, Virgo, Iris, Sibylla, Noea, Camilla, and Fortuna. Lutetia, Diamonds, a hands of four, Casper, Dingan, the Salam, I'm Franklin, Carrier, LeBron, Solly, and the Sopollana, Facea, Maria, Tachyia, Magna, Cleopatra, Alex, Helios, Clea, Selene, Coincide, and Dax, Time, Calliope, Lila, Herculean, Huberta, Paula, Hilda, Julie, Scorpion, Ion, and Minerva, just Bishop, Aeneas, Daphne, Chrysalis, Hermione, Hertha, and Nova, just goes and keeps on going further. Trojans are just a follow on her bigger body's tracks, and every planet's got a Mercury is the only one that lacks, and they want Jupiter, Mercury, Trojans, Pluto's in time, where they're both in the formations of the points of the ring of fire. Just a Metrosaurus, Lucas, Amelia, Agamemnon, to Paris, Patroclus, Meletius, definitely is a good one. Any users look back over proud of where they are. Tears and I'm not Athens, opposed, crossbows are far. I look check again, even make myself one at the pop of zeros, or shall look Korean. When they go to morphos, dim plots, ready to bed, eat a column of tanks, Geo or fossil, there's like layering an Icarus, or in the space of Mars. Active asteroids like comets, not like Atlas, rated off the closer than Jupiter, Alphas are all fit on Leo, and twice among the giants of stable, as one common things, Charon's activity and character, but they're going to them rings, Symphonic, Kidnash, Watchman, Mormon, Aries, and Endless, a lot of me, pathetic, you're weeded on the foliage on the poison comet. Things are well like comets with no tail around the place of prairie satellites. Or something in the quasi satellites like Suicide, that's like the line understood. The critics of some Vulcan ones that keep on searching on tail. Asteroid belt and surroundings, loads of various in scale to label every single one of them is for another day.
Even if there's no water, even if there's no moon or atmosphere, so
the matters with monsters smash. Got the others twice surpassed, in the outclass. No way to shake for the fastest propagation rate. It inflates its clouds and atmosphere, make gassy vandals swirling straight. Crushing gravity, the modest locality. Your versions of the country poison messes with what melts in mentality. Rings hard and hard, tricky as my cycles, it's with virality. Magnetic force is strongest and gaseous reality. I express this mental for volcanoes, lava lakes, and Europa's oceans under our rings covered in scrapes. And there's Ganymede's magnetic field, a bubble, it's what's large. The list still bears a remnant of the million greatest scars. Average the animal, the means, the Mr. Leader, Ursa, Company, Mini Valitudo, and less of the other million. Valor up and die, and her pilot, your rosy and pretending and die. I am casting on your weapon, it looks in a week, I'm leading, and I keep the positive, passively silly, versus money, fly, only from Mimic Army, and a rhythm, in the liquory, and alien, Decory, and your rhythm, the Chimney, Taichi, Yubori, Archicality, Sinobi, and Kuru, we Pacific, and Helicia, Tonner, we Asana, we Kelly, and Mega Fighting, and a reading, we almost full freely. Saturn, second largest, religion, it's a bust. White flashes and rings, water, ice, and rocks, and dust. White holes as big as mountains, small sand. The story full like it's a god, something we don't understand. Let's dance the water, we don't expect it to sail. It's speeding to our electrical, makes us flatten and prevails. Every 30 years, some grandma's might circle on the block. We just see on bottom moons like it's never gonna stop. Mama says you're craving bacon, salt, it's destroy all volcanics. At this valley, radiance, oxygen, dynamics, cause modern Spanish titans. Sticking orange, I'm a midday lakes at the poles. And I have it inside, which usually run for all. And Hyperion, Phoebe, has magical potatoes, and the countless clumps of moolahs, but we'll probably never name those. There's a Gianna, Bellini, Ecuador, Panamax, Mathoni, and Bellini, Albior, Small, and Alice, Polybuses, Mendovary, Thermogenus, and Prometheus, and Hunger, and Forgotten, Peter, Edgar, and Prometheus, the Antiquary, Protector, on the boulder, and tell us no any rocket, and we're young, and Prince Accent, Phillips, and Point of Bathing, Really, Vessel, Grandma, all the Iron Boundary, and the Taurus area, Visually, it's hard to keep our car, and the Sonic, Screamer, Framework, and Muff, they're rocking, and Sharnak, and rocking, Polyokin, 211, keep on rocking. Seventh year in the Uranus, either one inside with axis makes it crazy. Seas absorbing in the sun. This universe to take nice giant bushes and native Titans dark with spindly rings of skewer rays like Beth the turquoise atmospheres more uniform. But it's the gossip tricks, coldest records like the average perspective. Very complex magnetic spheres, lopsided in the squirrels and waving corkscrew tail. Further mission is area to be entailed. Uranus got some tracks and close and aerials, the brightest. Umbriels, the dark with the crowns, the rusted whitest. Titania, that's the large scope of bronze filled with great pits. And Uranus is 24 moons on the list. It's the whole horizon, Limbo, the Cupid, the Calvin, rusted up, the young Catulian, murderer, and worship of converted up, Cordelia, appealing rap, take a Rex out of a Stefano, with recent ones without a name, Francisco, Tequila, Prospero, each of these maturity, character in Shakespeare, and many more still not in Uranus, a still sphere. After Uranus is windy, while Neptune, the furthest from the sun, is dark and really hard to get to, not as blue as you remember, but it also isn't white. I'm the little magnetized and my red eye was down inside. Or to choose the only road that has a place destination where you pick a Neptune with a supersonic circulation, polar average than on Uranus, and this interpretation ends at 16 moons and maybe more surrounding implications. Brighten skies and Halloween, Anderson, the Venus, Minor Galaxy, and Urian, Nayadley, Albatrias, 2021, Proteus, Lewis, and it's 2002 and 5's the only so the last one. Shout out to my Pluto fans. Yeah, Pluto. You may not agree with me, but share views so differently. Mega Pluto was controversial since the IAU's rejection from the planetary circle. They said it didn't match up with their guidelines with this 2006 relegation to the sidelines. Funky little snowball, nitrogen and tholins, with shifting atmospheric condensation winds, frozen geology is constantly transforming modestly through all the mockery, planet or not. It's an oddity, insurance explorer, half size, insane, big stakes, tremors tonight, it's tumble like an ice cream. Cool here shouldn't surprise y'all, but hopefully it's something they get it, surprise y'all. Even if there's no one, even if there's no moon around, still so we can take our time to search around, up and down, till we are very only clear. Kuiper Bell, past Neptune isolated. This volatile light supplies where discovery is awaited. Split them into classes, classical, your kitty waters, non-resident, terrific radicals, resident, orbital ratio, and Neptune relation. Continuous, and more sorted number combinations. Pluto's here too, sometimes passes Neptune. Now I'll say some Pluto's need a long way, but look like they clearly work as invent the pose. Behind you see it, look close, we're not heading sorry on the neck is hidden. So a maze stretched wide from dusty range of side. Go hour long this goodbye from the Maka and the October side. Monkey snake and proposing that thing. Shining bright and blonde, they turn towards something now. All in the same field, Far always maybe to real. Where you want me, you bottle. Made about way of isolation. To your dark shadows. Scar in a supernatural. Money is heavy and blue. Scares when the way it feels. Part of Illinois responds to alien bread and the distillery. Let's see what forces something not to break. I'm just so cuffed like out of fun with look up so we're 60 bottle and written up lead. You're a thing we all know so if you're alone with your one no dark or cheer up. I'm one of our son. This scattered this dynamic dimensions force super loopy and oblique unjust to run the course. Gone water large slow brown bottle water ice. The atmosphere sun with this natural satellite. There is so cement smaller than Pluto pretends intense. Fire fishing glitches cells where it's young at 12. G Buffy and G Vada and I actually I go quick and gloom tom Dima. For the extremes, there ain't many of these, but overstretching the seams. You feed fire machines like Alicanto and annihilate. I'm cool into a violence and always like it's slingshots included and wide. Throughout the system, there's comets, dirty snowballs, close in the thousands. On the ground, particle meteorically, we'll stay on time until automatically. Echoes approach and release gases to warm up, making the combo with gas and nice stress around. Multicolours in the pattern, all the same names. Land after who I'm a part of, your findings no claim. Happy, happy, humble, yucky, tucky, hey, baby, belly, take a one, phone, what's the air, snack, keeper, no, and person, up to the fuckers, and be a wise, checking my cameras, and make I told you they let me not. And force of actual pain. Most think that comets come with hypers and past its domain. I'm past the human sphere, only gets us here. The vast of no clouds are the system's frontier. Even if there's no war.